Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good day. Today we are going to look at the exercise that everyone tried the last class. Okay. Uh, okay. These are the activities, and this is the description. Okay. Activity A, creating project team. Activity B, planning project. Activity C, analysis and design. D, signing agreement. E, purchase domain. F, hosting and backend. G, website design. H, testing. I, training. These are the how many days for each activity will consume or will take. And the final column is the predecessor activities or activity. Activity A doesn't have predecessor because it's the starting point. Activity B will have A as its predecessor. Activity C will have B as its predecessor. Activity D will have A as predecessor. Activity E will have C and D as its predecessor. Okay. Activity E will start after you completed either both C and D. If C mentioned here 19 days, D 15 days. So basically E cannot start until day 19. Okay, and so on. E and H has two predecessors. Right. Now let's look at the check.